Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Razer Marauder StarCraft II gaming keyboard. So we'll just get straight into it. So first of all, on the side you can see that there are many features on this keyboard, including laser etched keys. We have a braided cable. We also have the on-the-fly macro recording, APM lighting system, and 1000 Hz ultra polling there on the side of the box. And we can see that there are plenty of other bits of branding on the sides of the box. So here we go, we get straight into the box. You can see that the keyboard is nestled underneath a thick plastic covering, and then behind that you see that there's a guide, very nice shaped guides, and you can see here that there's just the stickers, the Razer stickers, as we all love, very well known, renowned. And then we have the setup guide, and very handy and helpful, and in colour as well. And you can see that really, you know, this is a really high quality product. This product was bought on a deal from Amazon.co.uk on a lightning deal, and this keyboard a few years ago would have been worth a lot more, nearly £100, but I got it for a lot cheaper than that. So you can see there's the branded cabling, and you have a very nice responsive keys. Now I've heard that these are not fully mechanized keys, so they're not the ultra high-end gaming keys, but they're definitely very easy to work with, very easy to game with, very easy to write up things on the computer, very easy. So you can see that there's the branding there, the braiding on the cable, and then you have nice high quality gold ended USB outputs. And we move on now to the rest of the keyboard. So you'll notice that there's a very nice silver colour. It's like a sort of metallic colour to the outer rim of the keyboard, and in between the keys, in between the number pad and the main keyboard section. And you can see that compared with the box, it doesn't look as blackish, we could say, as black as what it actually is. And you'll notice this as soon as you open up the box. You'll see that the keys are very black. In fact, they are black, and the outer rim of the keyboard, the rest of the keyboard, is this metallic colour. But as you will hear from me throughout this video continuously, I'm going to be stressing that this keyboard is very high quality, a very high quality feel compared with my lower end keyboard, which we're going to be comparing with at the near the end of the video. So we're going to move on to this next section here, and of course it is the close-up of the keys. So the keys are very nicely positioned, not too compact, but at the same time not too far apart, and you have the StarCraft logo there. And this is it all glowing, as we can see, as part of that under light, the glowing, and it does a good job to light up the whole of the keyboard. You can see there that all of the letters and numbers and symbols on the keys are very clear, and the same goes for the logo as well. You can see that lovely looking StarCraft II logo, and we have the logo of the Razer company just at the bottom there. And then we can see there's that nice light bar that goes underneath the keyboard, and it really does do a good job of lighting up just the surrounding area, just if you're in darkness, or you know, you just want that fancy look. and you can see that there's those small stripes as well on the four corners of the keyboard, and it's very nice. Okay, so moving on to a comparison now between the older keyboard, which is at the bottom, and the new Razer StarCraft II keyboard, which is at the top. You'll notice that the newer keyboard, the Razer, is it's a lot more compact than the older keyboard, the Logitech K270. Now the Logitech is very sort of plasticky feeling, and you can see them just giving the keys a tap, and they do definitely feel a lot more shall we say looser, and less just less responsive really than the Razer. They feel a lot more flimsier, and you can definitely tell the difference between almost a sort of rubberized keys. I'm not going to, not rubberized of course obviously on the Razer, but they've got a nice grip to them, whereas on the Logitech it's very slippery, very slippy keys, and can obviously add to the difficulties that you may have or in typing for long periods of time. And you can obviously see that the Logitech does have that white edge around the edge of the keyboard, and it also runs on a wireless as well. This is a wireless keyboard, is the Logitech, compared with the Razer StarCraft II. One more thing to point out is the fact that the Razer needs two USB outputs, one for the actual working of the keyboard, the functioning, and the second one for the glow, the lighting that you can see. Okay, so moving on to the bottom of the Logitech, we can see that it's very plasticky looking, and the under stands of the Logitech are a lot more flimsier than the Razer. Here's the Razer, the bottom of the Razer keyboard here, and you can holding the Razer in your hand, you can feel that there's a lot more weight to it, and it just feels a lot more solid. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.